Did you know that you can edit videos in Canva? That's right! Canva isn't just for thumbnails and channel banners. The first thing you need to do is go to canva.com, click the video icon. There are a bunch of different sizes you can choose, but I'm going to choose the regular video size of 1920 by 1080 pixel. It's going to open up a blank video editor in the same size as my uploaded video. Upload the raw footage that you want to edit. Go to the Uploads tab. You will click Upload Media and then pull the file into here. You can also drag and drop your file onto the blank document. Once your video is uploaded, you can click on it to bring it to your document. Right-click and set video as background. Your main viewing screen is your video. Down here is the play button, and you can see the playhead right here. When you hover over the triangle part of the playhead, you'll get a tiny hand. You can left-click and scrub through the video. When you hover over the front or back part of the clip, you'll see a double-sided arrow, and you can crop off the front of the video by dragging it to the right. If you scroll all the way to the end of the video, you can crop off the end by dragging it to the left. When you mouse click any part of the video, the playhead will snap to that part of the video. When you put the playhead in a specific spot, you can click S on your keyboard to split the video. In between the two clips, there is a plus sign. Clicking on that, you have the option to add a page or transition. Comment below if you want to know more about each transition. If you put the playhead a little later, you can actually delete an entire segment. When you right-click, you can see all of the options. And I know I'm going to add a transition between every one, so I'm going to go ahead and here, plus add transition, and I'm going to add the match and move transition, and I'm just going to leave the duration the same. So now I've got 4 segments, so I basically chopped out a full minute. What I'm going to do now is check and make sure that my transitions are okay. So now I'm going to pull this out a little bit, just a touch, and see if that helps the transition. It's basically just little edits at a time, and I'm continuing to make just small adjustments. You can add text, you could add photos, and even B-roll. If I were to add this clown horn, and you see I tapped it and it shows up here, and here's where the audio file is. Just keep in mind, you can also add multiple audio tracks. You're going to want to check out Creator Mix. It is a free service. I go more into that service during this video that you're going to want to check out right now. If you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!